What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today I'm going to give you guys a quick update on the Amazon FBA business. Alright, welcome back. Please read the disclaimer. This is not financial advice, and our results are probably not going to be typical since we take action, and most people don't. But hopefully this is a little motivation for you guys going into the weekend. It is still August. I'm super busy in my VIP hosting company, and we're still continuing to push forward with another whole business, trying to get ready for the holiday season. Okay, so keep this in mind as you're going through this video. Like, it is August. Guess what we're preparing for right now? I'm working on my Halloween stuff. I'm starting to work on my New Year's Eve stuff. I'm starting to work on my Amazon FBA stuff for the holiday season. Okay, it's August. People are going to pools and going to Vegas and partying on the weekends, and guess what we're doing? We're working. Okay, so keep that in mind, guys. This is kind of like your Friday rant here. Just giving you guys a little motivation. I'm sure you're enjoying your summer, as am I. I'm still able to have a little bit of fun in between. Coming into the Labor Day weekend here, I got some big customers coming in. I'll probably tear it up pretty good next weekend, but we're still getting things done. We're still taking action. We're still making things happen. So let's show where we're at with the Amazon FBA order. If you guys go back and watch the video, I talked about the cigar glasses we purchased that we ran into a patent infringement on Amazon, and we got delisted. I didn't take a huge bath on that. I'm down about $1,500 total. We're still moving those to a there goes my light. Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, we're still moving those to a warehouse, and we're going to be able to try to ship those to like a fulfillment house, and then we're going to run some ads on potentially Facebook and other traffic sources to try to move those ourselves. So we're down on those a little bit, but we're not completely out. At least we got roughly $3,000 back so far from Amazon, and I'm down a little bit on that. So the second shipment we placed was a couple weeks ago, $2,500. I placed a third shipment about a week ago, $1,320, and I placed a fourth shipment today for $3,040. So just in products, I've got close to 10K out there right now in shipments that haven't even arrived here yet, except for the glasses, which we're moving to another warehouse, which will be ready to ship soon, but we're not ready yet. So we're moving forward here with these products, and we're going to get these things in the Amazon warehouse, and then the fun starts. And we have to get reviews. We have to get maybe run some PPC ads. But either way, we're taking action. Okay, we're probably going to make a few mistakes along the way here. We already made one mistake with the patent issue, and it is what it is. That's like any business. When you start out, there's going to be an occasional blooper when it comes to making things happen, but that's how you learn, and that's how you get better, and that's how you become profitable at some point. Do I expect to be profitable on all these products right now? No, I have a feeling we may end up losing a little money on a couple of them. Hopefully we don't take a huge bath, but I told my business partner, I said, listen, I really want to get to the point where we have roughly a product a week in transit, and then maybe by the end of the year we'll have roughly 15 or 20 in either in the warehouse for Amazon that we're working on ads and scaling up or whatever, and then when we have about 15 to 20 products in there, we can actually potentially hire someone to kind of help manage the inventory, the ads, and then we'll continue to add more products and whatnot. So that's the goal. I mean, you guys out there, if you've taken an Amazon class, or you're planning on getting into the Amazon FBA business, the biggest thing is you got to take action. Okay, if you don't take action, you're never going to make any money. How many people have gone out there, myself included, have gone out there and taken a class and just not done anything with it? I've done it. I'm sure you guys have done it. And you paid for a class, you went through it, and then you just ended up not doing anything with it. So that's not going to be us with the Amazon business. If we go down in flames, then we go down in flames. But we're definitely going to give it a full effort here over the next 6 months. So as my other business winds down the busy season in September, October, and things are going well with this Amazon stuff, I do plan on putting out a course, letting you guys know what we're doing, showing you guys the profit we're making and whatnot. That is coming down the road, but I'm not going to put out something until it's profitable, and I can show you guys exactly what we did, the thought process behind every product we picked, and all that stuff. So that is coming. That is part of the plans. We've done a couple of product launches in the past for affiliate marketing and been very successful with those. We've got a lot of good reviews and a lot of happy students. So we'll do something like that for the Amazon, people that are interested in the Amazon FBA business as well. So don't have anything for you guys today as far as products go. We're still kind of in the beginning stages, in the startup phase, I guess, if you will. Definitely have a decent amount of money invested in this thing right now. I have 2 products on boats right now, and I think the third one will probably be on a boat sometime next week. And then we're off to the races, and we'll keep you guys updated. I'm not going to give away my products. Unfortunately, we've done a lot of research. And in fact, that's probably the hardest part about the Amazon business is the research and the time it takes to find the products that are actually going to be hopefully winners. And so I'm not going to give away those products. Maybe down the road, I'll let people in on that once we've established ourselves more. But unfortunately, the business is kind of secretive when it comes to the products. But as far as taking action and doing the business, well, that's what I'm showing you guys here today. So hope you guys are having a good Friday and going into the weekend. Have yourself a great weekend. If you guys did like what you saw today and you are taking action, I would appreciate a comment below. Go ahead and leave me a like on the video and bang that notifications bell. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And if you're new, go ahead and leave me a comment below and I'll welcome you to the channel. I'm Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you guys later.